Hello everyone. Let's continue with the new topic. So we are going to cover about the programming language. Python is a programming language. It is very powerful, easy to read, high level programming language. This means commands is very easy to read like English words, and this makes very easy to learn Python without a lot of experience. Learning Python is becoming more and more popular nowadays. The programming languages are simply a special way of giving sets of instruction to computer. So Python will work in the same way like sets of instruction giving to computer in order to perform the whatever task you want to do, like preparing games, calculations and so on. It is also used to develop software and apps in a variety of settings. Many computer programmers enjoy using Python because it is easy to read and beginners can easily be accessible. Is Python easy to learn? Yes. The command and syntax in Python are relatively simple compared to some other programming languages. This makes Python to start with no prior coding experience. Python is a programming language that provides real skills for the future. So be excited to enter in the world of Python. I hope you will be waiting to learn this skill and excited to run your first program in Python. So don't waste your time. Let's connect it to learn more about Python.